Today we're going to be showing you how to create your own beaded flower pacifier clip. First, take your cord and fold it directly in half so both sides are even. Now loop that folded end through your clip and pull the two loose ends through the loop to secure it in place. And tie one more knot about 1/4 inch away from the clip. Next, grab your crafting needle and thread both ends of the cord through it. Slide on two 15mm round beads and push them all the way down and pull them over the knot. Now remove the needle and separate your two cords. On each cord, place 4 12mm beads. You'll have 8 in total, 4 on each side. Once those are on, take just the left cord, rethread your needle, and carefully cross it downward through all 4 beads on the right cord. Then loop it back upward through the top 2 beads on the left cord. Now pull both cords nice and tight. You should see your beads pull together into a little circle, and that's the shape of your flower. Slide on one more 15mm bead. This one is going to be your flower center. Push it right down into the middle of your circle and then guide the cord between 2 of the 12mm beads, placing it as close to that center bead as possible. Now insert your needle down through the 12mm beads on one side and back up through the beads on the other side, reuniting both cords again. Once both cords are together, tie a firm overhand knot about 1/4 inch below your flower. Now you can trim the shorter cord close to the knot and very lightly fuse it with a lighter to lock it in. Slide on one 15mm bead and pull it down so it covers the knot you just tied. Then add your remaining 2 15mm beads right after it. Thread your needle again and pass it back through the second to last bead. Pull the last 2 beads downwards so you're left with about 5 inches of double cord between that 3rd bead and the final 2. Tie another tight knot right underneath that 3rd bead and trim the excess. Fuse the end slightly so it doesn't fray. Now slide the second to last bead upward to hide the knot. And finally, pull the very last bead up and close it all by tying your final loop knot snugly against it. And that's it. Your beaded flower keychain is complete.